Almost every home I walk into has smoke detectors, and a lot of them still wouldn't help in an emergency. And it's usually not because people don't care. It's because batteries die, detectors age out, and life just gets busy. So I've seen dead batteries, I see detectors that haven't been tested in years, and a lot of people don't even realize that smoke detectors actually have an expiration date. Most smoke detectors last 10 years, and combination units like smoke and carbon monoxide can be even shorter. And the tricky part is that they might still beep when you hit the test button, but the internal sensors degrade over time. So even though they sound like they're working, they're just no longer reliable. And the thing is, this isn't about being a bad parent. It's about things that are easy to forget until something goes wrong. So here's a simple win that you can do today. If you don't do anything else today, just test your smoke detectors and let your kids hear the sound. Why? Because it takes less than 5 minutes, and by doing that, you're actually checking two huge boxes: working batteries and kids who recognize the alarm. That's it. Simple, not overwhelming at all. And this is exactly the kind of thing that I want to help parents stay on top of, which is why I built the app. It's called Family Home Safety by Firefighter Dad, and it's available on the App Store.